Hey, all you YouTubers out there again. Little Dave's Garage here. I have a Yamaha V-Star 1100, and they are a pain to check the oil on. So I did some research and came up with this nice little idea. I'll show you how you do it. Real simple. Two 2x8s screwed together, and glue them if you want. Piece of pipe, 1-inch pipe, goes through into a flange on the bottom. Although, make sure you make this hole as tight to the pipe as you can, because otherwise it can break that flange on the bottom. But how I use this, you've probably already thought of. See it. Watch it. Nice and solid. Nice and solid. Now I can check my oil real easy, right there. Now mine has the remote filter on it, but again, I could change it real easy. If you have do not have this remote filter, get one. But you could do the oil change and everything else with it. It's also really nice to be able to polish it when it's level and solid. But that's my little idea. If you like it, let me know. And so have a good day. Let's get out and ride.